अब मैं 7 महीने प्रेग्नेंट हूँ और जल्द ही फिर से माँ बनना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन इस बार मेरी एंजाइटी थोड़ी कम है क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी एक माँ हूँ। जब ज़ैन आने वाला था तब मैं हर तरह के प्रीनेटल क्लासेस कर रही थी और हर किसी के पास मेरे लिए कोई न कोई सलाह थी। मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, नई माँ से ज्यादा सलाह किसी को नहीं मिलती। अच्छा हुआ मैंने कई की नहीं सुनी और ज़ैन के साथ ट्रैवल किया। मुझे इसमें बिल्कुल भी परेशानी नहीं हुई। मैं अब भी वो सिंगापुर ट्रिप याद करती हूँ क्योंकि वो मेरी सबसे स्पेशल ट्रिप थी ज़ैन के साथ। तब तक उसे काफी कुछ समझ में आने लगा था और अजनबियों से दोस्ती करने में तो वो उस्ताद ही बन चुका था। ज़ैन और मैं निकल पड़े मॉल की सैर करने। मॉल की अच्छी बात ये होती है कि आप वहाँ बच्चों के साथ जा सकते हैं। इतनी गर्मी में बाहर घूमना मुश्किल था, लेकिन वहाँ खुली जगह थी, वो भी एयर कंडीशन। बच्चों के लिए भी सैर हो जाती है और आप अपने काम भी निपटा सकते हैं। यही वजह है कि हमने मॉल्स में बहुत टाइम बिताया और ज़ैन ने काफी सारे बेबीज के साथ फ्रेंडशिप भी की। दूसरे मॉम्स और बेबी से मिलना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, स्पेशली वो जो दूसरे देशों से आए हैं।
No, Zen's been drinking so much water that he's got all wet down here, and I get paranoid about them getting a cold because there's AC everywhere, you know. So we must find a changing area. हाँ, there.
ये बेबी फ्रेंडली फैसिलिटीज ट्रैवलिंग के वक्त बहुत काम आती है। सिंगापुर बड़ी ही साफ सुथरी और हाइजीनिक जगह है। वहाँ कचरा फेंकना बिल्कुल इलीगल माना जाता है, इसीलिए फैमिली रूम्स जैसी फैसिलिटीज बहुत साफ सुथरी होती हैं।
I would have put him up here and changed him if he was awake. And this is a nice place to sit and feed, and you could close the door. And as you can see, it's painted with little butterflies and stuff up there. So we are going to say bye-bye, have a little nap, and we'll be back again as soon as Zen's up, and then we're going to do some more fun stuff. Bye.
रूपक का इंतजार करते हुए ज़ैन और मैंने होटल के पूल के पास थोड़ा आराम किया और अच्छे मौसम का मजा उठाया।
Zen has found a friend in the pool and he's playing hide and seek with her. As you can see, at 14 months, he's quite a flirt.
हमारी तरह रूपक की छुट्टी नहीं थी क्योंकि वो बिजनेस ट्रिप पर थे। फिर भी ज़ैन और मेरे लिए वो टाइम निकाल ही लेते थे और वो टाइम हमारे लिए सबसे स्पेशल होता था। रूपक सिंगापुर में रह चुके हैं और वो वहाँ की सारी मशहूर जगहों को जानते हैं। उस दिन वो हमें न्यूटन सर्कस ले गए, जो एक हॉकर्स मार्केट है।
We're all foodies, including Zen. And in Nepalese, and my husband's half Nepali, Hantu means somebody who eats a lot. So we joke that Zen's a bit of a Hantu. So we're looking forward to all the food at that hawker's market.
Newton Circus?
Newton, there is, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Please notice how my husband's accent changes according to the places we are in. Yes, baby.
But you love doing this particular one, no, Rupak? This Asian accent?
This particular one, no,
Yeah.
Rupak? I can also do it, no? So we're all ready to eat. Yum.
Get some barbecue stingray.
Yum.
मुझे कई पेरेंट्स ने बताया कि यहाँ का स्ट्रीट फूड अनोखा ही नहीं, हाइजीनिक भी था। ये खाना तो मैं ज़ैन को नहीं खिला सकती थी, लेकिन हाइजीनिक होने की वजह से मुझे डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी और मैंने उसे आराम से खिलाया।
So then we're going to have chicken porridge with a little bit of vegetable.
वैसे तो ज़ैन बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रैवलर है, लेकिन उस दिन वो भूख से रोया जा रहा था।
Of course, with the baby, sometimes he's not too happy. Oh, look, Jenny, look. Right think he's quite tired and he's been so good and he's had such a busy day. So, sometimes of course babies do cry and you've just got to be able to deal with it and not get too upset and stuff.
खाना देखते ही ज़ैन के चेहरे पर मुस्कान दोबारा लौट आई।
Somebody was very hungry, but look, he's eating. This is Chinese food. Eating it and liking it. I don't think I'm doing the right thing, but I'm treating him with a little bit of ice cream. Not meant to give babies sweet stuff, or at least not very much, but a little bit I think is okay. So a little bit of ice cream, and now he's all happy.
मैं ज़ैन को ज्यादा आइसक्रीम नहीं खिलाना चाहती थी क्योंकि शुगर बच्चों को हाइपर एक्टिव बना देता है, लेकिन उसे आइसक्रीम बहुत ही पसंद है।
So while Daddy eats, what are you eating?
That's oyster omelette.
Black pepper meat.
This is barbecued stingray, which is the absolute hot specialty of this place. That's tiger prawn. That's some green thing we don't know the name of, but you have to have your veggies.
As you can see, Daddy's feeding, and now I'm tucking into this amazing meal. This barbecued stingray is amazing.
It is, huh?
सच पूछिए तो जब आपके अपने साथ हो तो खाने का स्वाद ही बढ़ जाता है। ज़ैन और रूपक के साथ टाइम बिताने से बेहतर और क्या हो सकता है। अगले दिन मैं ले गई ज़ैन को दिखाने जुरोंग बर्ड पार्क, जो सिंगापुर का जाना माना टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है, खासकर बच्चों के लिए।
So here we are at Jurong Bird Park. This is the largest bird park in the world in terms of number of birds, with 8,000 birds of 600 species, of which 29 are endangered species. We're going to have a lot of fun here today. Zen's all dressed up in his My Daddy is #1 romper with his little sun hat, and he's ready to go.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि ज़ैन को यहाँ खूब मजा आएगा। कोई भी रंग बिरंगी चीज देखकर ज़ैन खुश हो जाता था, और जब वो रंग बिरंगी चीज चहकने वाली चिड़िया हो तो बात ही क्या है।
My God, they're quite loud inside, huh? Oh, sorry. Ow! They bite. I wasn't expecting that. See, I might be alarmed and scared, but maybe just calm about it. He's not bothered.
बर्ड पार्क में कुछ स्पीशीज साथ रह सके और दूसरे अलग, इसीलिए ये एवियरीज बनाए गए हैं, यानी बर्ड पार्क के अंदर अलग-अलग चिड़िया के लिए अलग-अलग घर।
These are species of parrots. As you could see just then, they don't seem very frightened or anything. They seem quite friendly and ready to come and chat and sit on us and eat from our hands. These are the bathing areas for the lorries, and they're quite hygienic. After eating, if they've got anything stuck on them, they come and clean themselves up. We're looking at these beautiful birds and out in the wilderness. We've also got a bit of adventure.
मुझे ऊंचाई से काफी डर लगता है और हमें बर्ड शो देखने के लिए एक छोटे से ब्रिज को पार करना था, लेकिन मैं ज़ैन को अपने डर से दूर रखना चाहती थी क्योंकि बच्चे बड़े ही सेंसिटिव होते हैं इन चीजों को लेकर, और ज़ैन जरूर डरता अगर वो मेरे चेहरे पर डर देख लेता।
Now we're about to enter the bird show, which has apparently a whole variety of birds.
That's all you have to do. Do not touch the bird. Do not drop your arm. Very important that you have to smile. Okay, very good. That's it. Finish the point and go.
babies is you can give them the most fancy toys, show them the most amazing things. Yes, they appreciate it, but it's often the simple, small things that they really, really want. All these days, the first thing he goes for is the name tag of the kind person who's taking us round. So this is what he wanted. Thank you, thank you. And it's all about sharing. Thank you.
एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात हमारे गाइड ने मुझे बताई। ये खूबसूरत फ्लेमिंगोज जब पैदा होते हैं तो ग्रे कलर के दिखते हैं। फिश खाते हुए बड़े होने की वजह से वो पिंक बन जाते हैं। ज़ेन अभी काफी छोटा है। थोड़ा बड़ा होता तो समझता कि इनमें से कई पंछी इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज है और वो कहीं और नहीं दिखेंगे। मैं बड़े आराम से किसी भी अजनबी के साथ किसी न किसी टॉपिक पर बात शुरू कर सकती हूँ। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि ज़ेन भी बड़ा होकर फ्रेंडली और कॉन्फिडेंट होगा। हम एक बड़े ही प्यारे कोरियन कपल से मिले जो हमारी तरह अपने बेबी के साथ ट्रैवल कर रहे थे।
Jay. And this is Zen. Zen. So have you come to Singapore on holiday?
Yeah, holiday.
And are you having a easy time with the baby?
Difficult. It's not easy. So the traveling with the baby.
Yeah. And what about food and things? Did you bring food with you, or you're giving him things for eating?
Some baby meal. We have the baby meal.
जुरोंग बर्ड पार्क में हमने खूब मस्ती की। साथ ही नेचर के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला।
We've had an amazing time here in Singapore, haven't we, Zenipu? Yeah. We will be back, won't we, Zenipu? Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
ज़ेन बड़ा हो रहा था। वो अब इशारे से बात भी करने लगा था। नई चीजें उसे इंटरेस्टिंग लगने लगी थी और नए लोगों से दोस्ती करने में तो वो सबसे आगे था। बच्चे वाकई में कोरी किताब की तरह होते हैं। मेरी तो यही कोशिश है कि उन पन्नों को मैं नए एक्सपीरियंसेस से भर लूं। उम्मीद है कि आगे के दिन भी खुशियों से भरे होंगे और हमारा आने वाला मेहमान उसमें जल्द ही शामिल हो जाएगा। Here we are with the extremely talented, beautiful, wonderful actress Konkona Sen Sharma, who I'm also extremely fortunate to count among one of my closest friends. Coco, thank you so much for doing this.
See, there's a reason you're such a good friend. Saying all these lovely things about me on camera.
No, but seriously, for anyone who said that actresses can't be friends, we've proved them completely wrong, because we've been great friends ever since we met.
On the sets of Peach 3, which was many, many years ago.
And now we have another thing in common, which is that we're both moms. So I'm here to actually talk to Coco about this amazing new phase of our lives. So Coco, how do you feel being a mummy?
I should have been prepared for this question, but I don't think that you can be prepared about anything as far as motherhood is concerned, no?
Totally.
I mean, especially for like a person like me, you know, I'm such a control freak in life. That I think having a baby is the best cure for it because nothing is in your control suddenly.
So tell me, Coco, did you have like any anxieties and fears during your pregnancy or at the time of birth or even after Harun was born and looking after a newborn?
During my pregnancy, yeah, there were a lot of little stresses, you know. I have noticed though that people are extremely nice to you if you're pregnant, so that I'm gonna miss, you know.
Yeah, but I must tell you, please, I'm experiencing that the second time people don't make as much fuss.
Oh, really?
So tell me, what's Ranveer like as a daddy?
You know, much as I hate to say it, he's very good. He's very good. In fact, he gets up and does the middle of the night feed as well.
That's amazing. And Rupak, if you're there listening, which I'm sure you are, Rupak's very good, but he sleeps through anything.
You know, I can't sleep. Even if Ranveer is getting up for the night, I'll still get up and, you know, add my 2 bits.
So how do you feel life has changed for both of you?
Life is completely, I mean, everything is different. It's like suddenly you're a mom and there's this huge overwhelming sense of responsibility. Anytime I go out for like even a little while, I'm just consumed with what is he doing right now, and calling and looking at his pictures, and when I meet new people, in the sense friends for the first time, then I have to control the urge to take out my cell phone and start showing pictures, because I just don't want to be one of those moms,
No, but I completely agree, and I actually feel really, really guilty, because I used to think when I had some friends who'd always be showing pictures, I'd say, oh my god, why do they do this?
Yeah.
Now I'm doing a whole show on this, and I'm like, I should never ever say that to anyone who's speak about it, because
that's totally different.
It's,
This will reach out and help people, hopefully, who are going through similar experiences.
hopefully, and now we're all moms, so this is like a whole new avenue, and we'll be like doing lots of mommy things.
Yeah, I know, but I'm still getting used to it. I'm still not used to it. It's still sinking in a little bit.
But honestly, you're doing an amazing job. I saw Haroon the day he was born,
Yes,
and now
that's
I've been seeing him, and he's growing up to be such a wonderful little baby.
Luckily for him, I always say this, luckily for him, he's very cute.
Yeah, in fact, I brought Zen at one point to see a newborn and get used to the idea of a newborn, and that was quite amusing, because he loved seeing Haroon from a distance, but when I picked him up, there was a little
not happy.
Yeah, so
we're not happy. We're going to see a lot more of that soon.
Yeah. So are you thinking of the next? Yeah.
No. I don't think it's fair to ask somebody who's just given birth that question.
That's true. And anything about Haroon that surprised you, like that you totally didn't expect?
Well, the fact that he recognizes me. I mean, everybody said that he'll recognize you, but the minute he was born, like they put him on me and he was bawling, and as soon as they put him on me, he stopped crying. And I felt such a surge of power. I was like, wow, this is really awesome.
What about family support? Do you have much family support with looking after Haroon?
My sister lives in the US, my mom lives in Cal, but here I have to say that my friends are like family, which is great.
Yeah. No, that's great, and I'm always here to help.
Yeah, you are.
I mean, we do live quite far, but I think now once they're older and stuff, they can play together.
Yeah, and we've always managed despite the distance.
Yeah, exactly.
We've always managed.
And also, Coco, we've got you a little present.
So
actually, not that little. A lot of baby presents are really big, actually.
Yeah. Thank you.
This is for Haroon.
Yeah.
And it's from Fisher Price also. So
thank you, Fisher Price, and thank you, Haroon's lovely little card here. Oh, how lovely. Yeah. It's nice.
It's a baby bouncer. Wow.
How fun.
Thank you so much, Coco.
Thank you, and all the best. I'm so excited for the baby, for the show. Everything.
Thank you.
So excited.
कोको मेरी बड़ी प्यारी दोस्त है। वो एक बहुत ही अच्छी माँ भी है। मेरा शो कोको जैसी नई मदर्स के लिए है, जो ये जानना चाहती हैं कि दूसरी न्यू मॉम्स अपने बच्चों के लिए क्या-क्या करती हैं। I wish her all the best, and let's hope Rupak, Zen and I will see our new baby safe and healthy soon.